Looking at the Dewalt 20-volt cordless compact router. Now there is one job in the shop that I'll always reach for this cordless router, and that's shelf pin holes in my cabinets. And all you need is a 3/8 inch guide bushing that this router will directly accept, and it's just a great use of this cordless router with plunge base. And it gives me some of the cleanest holes I've ever seen for shelf pins. Much better than the quality I was getting with a drill bit that came with the template. So this is something I highly recommend. I started with a downcut spiral, which can give you a little bit of burning, so I definitely recommend using an upcut spiral bit for this technique. And if this is the only reason you get this cordless router, it's well worth it. But remember, in the fixed base, you can also do edge profiling, roundovers, and chamfer cuts. So it's a great tool, and I highly recommend this cordless router.